then 1 to 2. Normally, I'm targeting this point here. This is the point I'm targeting for the market to come, which is actually 1 to 3, right? That's the point I'm targeting. But based on I'm targeting 1 to 2, there will be a retracement towards the upward side, either here or here. The market will drop towards this downward side. This is my prediction. The market will continue dropping, get to around somewhere here. Most likely, this is going to buy. So what we have to just do is to wait for a push up, a share to continue pushing up towards the upward side. Then a retracement will happen. So the second leg of the retracement, that's when it will be better to take it by the second leg of the retracement, then continue buying. And guys, it is Friday already. Let's look at our trading results for this week together, right? Based on our analysis. So there's this thing I do, right? Every Monday, I come on here, do my analysis. On Friday, we come to look at the results. So now, the two pairs we do analysis for is Euro USD and USD CAD. So if you would like us to do, if you would like me to do, if you would like me to do analysis on any pair at all, just drop it on the comment section. If you are new here, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You all should support your boy. So guys, let's go to the 4 hours time frame for Euro USD. Just as I had predicted for Euro USD, or just as I had anticipated, this is exactly what the market did. Although I said that I'm still believing the market might come down to this particular level here. But yeah, 1 to 2 is a win, right? It's a good trade. So around here, I said the market will get to somewhere this level and buy to the upward side, or this particular level here and buy to the upward side. It got to this level, and as you can see, it bought up close to our entry. So for those of you that was scared and probably around this time of the trade, you would have probably closed your trade. And that is why it takes discipline to become a profitable trader, not just being right all the time. You can be right and still end up losing money, bro. Imagine people that hold to around 1 to 1, and the next thing, this thing happen, bro. A lot of you will just close. So it's you set your if you place a trade, set a stop loss, set a take profit, and just let it run, right? If you hit take profit, congratulations. And if you hit stop loss, look for the next trade. So yeah, this was the result for Euro USD. And for those of you that managed to take this trade, I'm really I'm excited that I was able to like help you all make money this week. So I've been doing this for 2 weeks now, whereby I just come on Mondays, do my analysis. Around here, that's when I started it. I said the market was going to buy, it bought. Said the market was going to sold, buy, it buys. And this way, like the point I said that this is where this old buy is going to end. So it got to this particular point. If you go to your 4 hour, your daily time frame, right? This is the point here. So it got to this point. This is the immediate trend, and this is what we should be looking at, right? Now, this particular market, right, can start buying from here, I don't know, or sell down to around this point. Like I had said before, if you go to your weekly time frame, this level on its own, it is support level. Anytime the market gets to this level, it buys. Guess okay, this one didn't get to the level, but yeah, got to it, it buys. Now this one is at that level, so it can either buy towards the upper side or break the level. Who knows? So it can break the level, it can buy. Those one of those two things can happen. Do you get? But right now, sellers are like on the on sellers are the one in charge, right? If you check the daily time frame, the immediate time frame since May 12, the market has been selling. So imagine the market sold for May, sold for June, right? This is July and it's still selling. Do you understand? So you don't have to be taking a lot of trade on Euro USD each month. You can take probably 2-3 trades on Euro USD as a swing trader, right? You can take 2 on other pairs. You trade, you get. So, and that is how you become profitable. It's very easy. Now let us look at the so for those of you trading prop firm, if you are risking 2%, you will be up 4% on just this particular trade. Yeah, just said I should put it out there. Now let's go to our USD card. Now, if you check for USD card, what I said is what is happening. I said that the market was going to buy to bought, and it bought. It got to even this level, around this level. Then it started selling down. So am I still on the buy side of this market? Because if you check this market has been selling towards the downward side, I feel like this is a change of this whole thing that's happening is about to be a change, right? The market wants to start buying. So I might be wrong, but most likely the market wants to start buying because if you have to check the overall trend on the daily time frame, this market has been massively buying. So this old stuff you just see, it's just a retracement. So if you check, it has been buying. So from this level, it has been buying with no proper retracement. So normally, if I'm to draw a Fibonacci retracement from the lowest level, it started or from the level it started buying from, right? To this point, the highest point it got to, this is where we expect the market to sell down to. So that's if this market wants to continue selling, to sell down to this point. That's if it wants to continue selling. But this market can decide to start buying towards the upper side and buy towards this level. But yeah, you get the point. The main point is that there is we the as had predicted on Monday, it is exactly what happened, right? So on Monday next week, I'll still come and tell you what I feel this market is going to do in my next video. Not in my next video, right? But in the next video I'll post on Monday. So because I make the videos like today is literally Friday. I'm recording this video on Friday so you guys can see what is happening. So on Monday, I'll record the video on Monday, upload it on Monday. So that's what I do. Now, for those of you that are new here, please you all should subscribe to this YouTube channel, right? And like this video. Share with your friends that are also traders. Um, we rise by lifting others. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.